2:24 p.m. PT, Barry's friend, Jamie, posted a video from the crash scene taken moments after the accident he dubbed a big disaster. In a separate post showing him in the hospital bed, Jamie says he got lucky with only a broken knee, elbow and wrist. He says Barry's in a much worse condition with a serious chest and leg trauma. Waiting for your permission to load the Instagram media. Storage Wars star Barry Weiss is attempting to recover from a really bad motorcycle accident that landed him in the hospital with broken bones and other internal injuries, TMZ has learned. Law enforcement sources tell TMZ, the incident went down Wednesday around 2:30 p.m. in the Los Feliz area where he and another friend were each riding bikes. We're told a car pulled out from a parking space, apparently without looking, and Barry and his friend slammed into the back of the car. Both went down. We're told Barry was transported to an LA hospital, and is currently in the ICU, but has in stable condition. We're told drugs and alcohol are not a factor. Barry, the eccentric and lifelong antique collector, appeared in seasons 1 to 4 of Storage Wars, often riding in classic cars. He left the hit A&E show and had a short-lived spin-off called Barry Treasure. BTW, Hess also Jesse James' godfather. It's been a tough year for OG Storage Wars cast members. Just last month, Daryl Sheets was hospitalized after suffering a heart attack. Originally published, 7:46 a.m. PT.